Natural dye hair into black hair at home. 2 tablespoon black tea. Please subscribe to my channel. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons black tea. Add 1 glass of water. Please press the like button. Cook until water reduces till half a glass. Strain. Add 2 tablespoons instant coffee. Mix it well. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment and share with your family and friends. Let it cool down slightly. 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. Mix it very well and make it lump-free. Add 2 tablespoons conditioner. It is a bit difficult to dissolve, but be patient. Or use hand mixer to dissolve. Mix it for 1 minute. How to use. Apply your gray hair and leave it for an hour. After 1 hour, wash your hair with plain water. Don't use shampoo on same day. Repeat it every 15 days, and you will get good results.